nutrition educator with Maine SNAP Ed and Healthy Acadia. And today I am going to take you through some top tips to choose healthy, affordable pantry staples at the grocery store. Let's get to it. When you're stocking your pantry, choose store brand as often as possible. Our local grocery store brand, Hannaford, offers the same pantry staples at much lower prices. And you can verify this by looking at the price tag and comparing the unit price of name brand versus store brand items. My next tip to stock your pantry and save some money is to buy in bulk when it makes sense for you. I know that I use a lot of olive oil in my cooking. So when I'm buying olive oil, I always go for the big bottle because the unit price is much lower than the small bottles. Stocking your pantry with some shelf-stable whole grains is a great way to make sure you're going to be able to get fiber and nutrients from whole grains any time of day. Some of my favorite whole grains to stock in my pantry are oats, whole wheat pasta. You can also try brown rice or other whole grains like quinoa or barley. As a nutrition educator, I'm always encouraging people to add more fruits and vegetables to their diet. And one way to be sure you always have some fruits and vegetables on hand is to stock your pantry with canned produce. When buying canned vegetables, like these mushrooms, always check the can for a no salt added or perhaps low sodium tag. When stocking your pantry with canned fruit, the one thing you want to look out for is added sugar. Fruit is naturally sweet, so we always look for canned fruit that is packed in 100% juice, like these pear halves and these pineapple slices. My last pantry tip is to invest in some herbs and spices so you can add flavor to your meals without adding extra sodium. Hungry for more nutrition education? You can join me next Wednesday, February 17th for a 1-hour free online class about choosing affordable, healthy foods at the grocery store. Email me to register and check out more details on the Healthy Acadia website and Facebook page.